Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. And the person I'm trying to help has this fairground font, and it has no pound sign, has no number sign. It puts in a number, and they want them to be. So this isn't the perfect solution. I'm going to try to do it a little differently. Maybe I can figure out something that's quicker. But if you hold down the Shift key, it wouldn't take you long to just click through and pick that node that is on that number instead of retyping the pound sign on every one of them. And you could do as many as you could get while it's still zoomed in, and then go to Arial, and there you go. Now they're still selected. If you go, I want the number a little bit smaller, you can make the number sign whatever size you think looks perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and I'm still seriously gonna work on something that might be quicker. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.